Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate my digital design project, which is basically a 4x4 grid system that basically tells where the object is positioned inside the grid. The grid is made up of 4 quadrants. The object is currently placed in the first quadrant. So I'm using 2 ultrasonic sensors that are connected to the bases and through a bit of jumper wires and breadboards, and they're being supplied DC direct current voltage from the power supply. So as you can see, the object is in the first quadrant, and the first LED lights up, indicating that the object is in the first quadrant. And when I move this object to the second quadrant, you can see that the second LED lights up. And similarly, when I move the object into the third quadrant, the third LED lights up. Third LED lights up. And then when I move the object to the fourth quadrant, the fourth LED lights up. The few glitches that you observed in this demonstration are due to the fact that this sensor works on a pulse system. It sends out a trigger wave and receives an echo. And when I move this object across the grid, basically the sensor is still receiving echo waves. So that can be from any other electronic device or any other medium in your environment. So basically the glitches that you find in your LEDs, the blinking, is basically due to the trigger pulse that you send through your sensors. So this is my whole circuit diagram, and that is my project. Thank you.